In a colorful little town by the river lived a young girl named Lina. She wasn't the fastest, the strongest, or the smartest, but she had something special, a heart full of determination. Every morning, Lina would visit her best friend, Kavi, who lived on the other side of the Rainbow Bridge. They would laugh, read books, and build wooden boats to race down the stream. One day, after a big storm, the Rainbow Bridge collapsed. It was old, and the storm had washed most of it away. The townspeople shook their heads. It will take months to fix. No one can cross now. We'll just have to wait. But Lina didn't want to wait. Kavi had just broken his leg and couldn't leave his house. He was sad and lonely, and Lina knew he needed her. So she made a decision. "I'm going to build a new bridge," she said. The villagers blinked. "You? But you're just a child. It's too hard. It's too dangerous. It'll never work." Lina heard them, but she also heard something louder, her why. She wasn't building the bridge to prove anything. She was building it for Kavi, because friendship mattered more than fear. She started with small pieces of wood from the backyard. She learned how to tie strong knots from the old fisherman. She asked the carpenter for advice and studied how the old bridge had been built. It was hard work. Her hands got sore. She made mistakes. Some days she cried. But every time she felt like giving up, she remembered Kavi's face, waiting, hoping. Finally, after many days of trying and fixing, the bridge was ready. It wasn't perfect, but it was strong enough. Lina crossed it carefully, holding her breath, and made it safely to the other side. Kavi was waiting by the window. When he saw her, his eyes lit up like sunshine after rain. "You came," he whispered. Lina smiled. "I told you I would." Moral of the story is that when you care deeply about why you're doing something, you can find the courage to do things that seem impossible. A strong why gives you the strength to build your own bridge, even when others say it can't be done.